Guys, so one thing when restoring a tractor or any piece of equipment, I should say there's a lot of different products you have to buy. There's the tractor paint for the hood and fenders and seat. It's Rust-Oleum. It's called Court Gray. It's the closest gray I could get to the original color. 4 cans of Armor Coat rust paint for the main body of the tractor. Can of Bondo. As you can see, I've already started doing some little touch-ups. This year I actually used spot glaze putty that I had left over. And as you can see, I have some more paint down there. And some more paint down there and on the other side. So there's quite a few different products you have to use, and I probably have over $200 in paint, brushes, sandpaper, and whatnot. So there is obviously a little bit of an expense other than just buying a tractor if you want to restore it, or at least do a 10-foot restoration where it looks great from 10 feet until you get up closer, and then you can see obviously some of the imperfections. That's probably what this is going to be. It's not going to be a show tractor, but it's going to be a tractor that I'm going to use and not abuse it, but certainly won't be afraid to get it dirty. Anyways, just a quick video on some of the products that are required during a restoration, and just a little bit of the expense. And the next expense after those is tune up to the motor and be plugged wires, oil, filter, air filter, and then I gotta check the hydraulic and transmission fluid. Thanks guys for watching, and remember to subscribe. I'll be doing quite an extensive series on this tractor. Thanks.